Muslims around the world celebrated the end of the holy month of Ramadan on Sunday. In Pakistan, the government marked the holiday by suspending cell service in 4 cities, reports Global Voices. Phone service jammed in Pakistan to cover up government's inefficiency in controlling terrorism, tweets Abid Pasha. The government said service would be blocked from 8 p.m. on Sunday until 11 a.m. Monday to prevent terror attacks. Pakistanis complained on social media. Miri Ghani on Facebook commented, "They should better their intelligence gathering and implementation of law and order instead of curtailing citizens' rights in the name of security." Others found humor in the inconvenience. For the first time ever, the innovation of mobile phones in Pakistan, you will not receive any text messages on the morning of Eid, tweets Arfa Essin. For our next lead, outrage over an attack on 3 Palestinians in Jerusalem's landmark Zion Square continues to grow. Police described the attack by dozens of Jewish youths as a lynching. A witness described the incident on Facebook, and 972 magazine provided a translation. "It's late at night and I can't sleep. My eyes are full of tears for a good few hours now, and my stomach is turning inside out with the question of the loss of humanity. Today I saw a lynch with my own eyes. Dozens of youths ran and gathered and started to really beat to death 3 Arab youths who were walking quietly in the Ben Yehuda street." We're tweeting out those leads so you can follow us and tell us what you think. Lisa?